Art Along friends. We are drawing 10 different butterflies in 5 minutes. That's the challenge anyway. It's a fun spring art activity to do with your friends. So, let's get started.
Yeah.
All you need is a timer to set for 5 minutes and any drawing material that you have. And your creativity. Mia, you're starting already? I'm trying to set the timer.
Ew.
Okay, ready, set, go. Maybe I should say ready, set, art. Okay, let's see what kind of butterflies you come up with. I'm just gonna draw a nice round wing. It's a round. Okay, that's one for me. And you, I guess. Have you seen lots of butterflies? Me too, I think. That's why I'm gonna draw lots of different kinds of butterflies. And there's no right or wrong way. Just use your creativity. And if you need help drawing a butterfly, we have a how to draw a butterfly video that we did recently, right? So you can check that out in our channel. Oh, I'm only at 3! Okay, how are we doing on time?
I don't know.
We have 3 minutes and a half left.
What?
We gotta hurry. I think I'm running out of ideas. What about you?
Me too.
Art Along friends, how are you doing? This one's very elaborate. Two, three, four, five, six, seven. We have 2 minutes left.
I gotta hurry. 8.
And we're gonna talk about all of our butterflies at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Okay, one more. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Hey, are you drawing more?
Time hasn't run out.
Oh!
I still got a few ideas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
You never stop drawing.
I guess not. Yeah, Yeah, you're such a great artist. So creative. Time! Good job! Wow! Okay, tell me about yours. They're all different in its own way? Yeah.
And they might seem the same, but they're different.
That's amazing! Look at this one! So spiky! Yeah. Which one's your favorite that you drew?
This one.
That one? Why is that?
Because it's like 2 hearts and then some frizzies.
Oh, yeah. My favorite one is this one because I just made one whole wing for each side and then I made some frizzies too. And it's simple, but I still like it.
Which one do you think is the most unique out of all of them?
I feel like this one is the most unique.
Me too.
Yeah, with the
I
little
think
spiral.
this one is the most unique.
Yeah, it has the little fairy tales is what I'm calling it. Art Along Friends, what kind of butterflies did you create? Come share it with us through Instagram at Peacelyco. Well, we're gonna spend time coloring and fast forward through it, but remember to be creative and make art into a game.
Yeah.
It's so fun that way, huh?
Let's go.
Nice. In Art Along Friends, we have other art challenges where we draw lots of different things using one type of color. Right? We have a drawing pink things color challenge, drawing purple things, green things.
We have orange.
Yeah, that's right. So check out all of our other art challenges. They're so much fun to do.
Look,
Wow, what is that?
streamlines.
Is that where the butterflies are flying?
They're flying everywhere.
That's cool. Okay, done. Whoa. Okay, there we go.
Well, there you have it. 10 ways to draw a butterfly and more.
That's right.
I have 14.
You're 14? I have 12. Mia, you drew more than me. Yeah. So keep challenging yourself, everyone. See you next time.